If Monday.com is showing an error loading page, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your workspace as quickly as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for when Monday.com won't load properly, keeps spinning, shows a blank page, or just gives you a connection error. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then move into the more reliable solutions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and a simple reload is all Monday.com needs to load correctly. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Try opening another website to see if your connection is stable. If your network seems slow or unstable, switch to a different Wi-Fi network, or try using mobile data for a moment. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using, then refresh Monday.com again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with loading certain web apps, especially if there's a connection or region-related issue. Once you've disabled it, give the page another try. If the problem is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then select Cache and Cookies, make sure the time range is set appropriately, and click Clear. After that, fully restart your browser and open Monday.com again. This step often fixes broken loading issues caused by corrupted stored data. Now let's check browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can prevent Monday.com from loading correctly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that might interfere with the page. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and see if the error is gone. If Monday.com still won't load, sign out of your account completely and then sign back in. Sometimes a session issue or authentication glitch can cause the page to fail. Logging out and back in creates a fresh session and can resolve the problem immediately. If you've tried all of these steps and Monday.com is still showing an error loading page, the issue may be temporary on Monday.com's side, so wait a few minutes and try again. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get the page working again. Hopefully this helped you fix the Monday.com connection error and get back to work. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.